Welcome to Bit Bank for all bank tests and bank promotion exams. So in this book, 240 questions are there in the percentages chapter. And for the video solutions of all these 240 questions, please click the link which is given under this video discussion part. This is a link. I explained in an easy manner, and the student with no mathematics background also easily can understand and score 100% in arithmetic. The shortcuts and detailed explanation. And please subscribe BitBank. In this video, I explain the problems from 36 to 40. Now, question number 36. Miss Sujata invests 2,170 rupees, which 7% of her monthly salary in mutual funds. Later, she invests 18% of her monthly salary in recurring deposit also. She invests 6% of her salary in NSE bonds. What is the total annual amount invested by Miss Sujata? Total annual amount invested. Okay, total percentage of investment is equal to total percentage of investment is equal to 7% plus 18% plus 6% of salary. That is 31% of salary. Okay. Now, Miss Sujata invests 2,170 rupees, which 7% of her monthly salary in mutual funds. If 7% of monthly salary in mutual funds is equal to 2170, 7% of salary is equal to 2170, then what is 31% of monthly salary? Total investment. That is equal to 2170 divided by 7 into 31. This percentage will be cancelled. So total investment, total percentage, 31% of salary is equal to, total investment is equal to 2170 divided by 7 into 31. That is equal to 9,610 rupees. This is a total investment per month. Per month, monthly salary. Now we have to find out total annual investment amount is equal to annual, that is 12 months. So 12 into 9,610. Total annual investment is equal to 12 months into 9,610. That is equal to rupees 1,15,320. Now shortcut. Total annual amount invested is equal to annual 12 months. So 12 into the investment amount in mutual funds, that is 2,170 into total percentage of investment, that is 31%, divided by percentage of investment in mutual funds, 7. So 12 into 2,170 into 31 by 7, that is equal to rupees 1,15,320. 37th question. 1/5 of a number is 18. What will be 30% of the same number? 1/5 of number means 1 by 5 into number is equal to 18. Here it is 1 by 5. I want the number value. So if I send this divided by 5, other side becomes into 5. So number is equal to 18 into 5, that is equal to 90. We got the number 90. Now, what will be 30% of the same number? So 30% of the same number is equal to 30% of 90 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled. 3 9s are 27. So 30% of 90 is 27. This is the answer. Now 38th question. 605 sweets were distributed equally amongst children in such a way that the number of sweets received by each child is 20% of the total number of children. How many sweets did each child receive? Briefly, the given information is total number of sweets is equal to 605. And each child, the sweets received by each child is equal to 20% of the total number of children. So what is the number of sweets received by each child? This is a question. Solution. The sweets received by each child is 20% of the total number of children. Let the total number of children is equal to x. Total number of children is equal to x. So the sweets received by each child is equal to 20% of the total number of children. That is 20% of x. That means 20 by 100 into x. The next step. If one child is receiving 20% of x sweets, then total children receives how many sweets? So total number of students into 20 by 100 into x. So total number of students is x. So x into 20 by 100 into x. Here one example I am telling. There are 10 students and each student is receiving 5 sweets. So total 10 into 5, 50 sweets. That formula I used here. 20 by 100 means 1 by 5. So x into 1 into x divided by 5 is equal to 605. So x into 1 into x is x square by 5 is equal to 605. It is divided by 5. I want the value of x square. Send this 5 other side because that implies x square is equal to 605 into 5. That is 3025. If x square is equal to 3025, x is equal to square root of 3025. That is 55. X is equal to 55. What is x? Total number of children is equal to 55. Now the question is how many sweets did each child receive? So the number of sweets received by each child is equal to 20% of the total number of children. So total number of children is x. So 20% of x, 20 by 100 into x, and we got the value of x is equal to 55. Just simply substitute. So 20 by 100 into 55. 1 by 5 into 55, 55 by 5, that is 11 sweets. So 11 sweets is received by each child. Question number 39. In a class of 65 students and 4 teachers, each student got sweets that are 20% of the total number of students, and each teacher got sweets that are 40% of the total number of students. How many sweets were there? Solution. How many sweets were there? That is equal to the number of sweets taken by all students plus the number of sweets taken by all teachers is equal to total number of sweets. Now the first step, the total number of sweets taken by students. Each student got sweets that are 20% of total number of students. Here total number of students is 65. 20% of total number of students is 20% of 65. One student is getting. That is 20 by 100 into 65. This is per student. How many students are there? 65 students. If per student 20 by 100 into 65 sweets are taken, then 65 students is 65 into 20 by 100 into 65 plus the total number of sweets taken by all teachers. How many teachers are there? 4 teachers. So one teacher, each teacher got sweets that are 40% of the total number of students. Here total number of students is 65. So 40% of total number of students is 40 by 100 into 65. If one teacher is getting 40 by 100 into 65 sweets, then 4 teachers, 4 into 40 by 100 into 65. So that is equal to 65 into, this is 1 by 5, 1 by 5 into 65, 13 5s are 65. So 65 into 13 plus, this is 40 by 100 into 65, that is 4 into 26, that is equal to 65. 13s are 845 plus, and 426 are 104, that is equal to 949. So total number of sweets is equal to 949 sweets are there. 40th question. A reduction in the price of apples enables a person to purchase 3 apples for 1 rupee instead of 1 rupee 25 paisa. So what is the percentage of reduction in price approximately? Solution. So the actual price of apple is 1 rupee 25 paisa. The price is reduced and he purchases the apples for 1 rupee. How much price is reduced? 1 rupee 25 paisa minus 1, that is 0.25. Now directly I am telling the shortcut. The percentage of reduction in price approximately is equal to 1 rupee 25 paisa minus 1 divided by 1 rupee 25 paisa into 100. The formula is the difference between the actual price and reduced price divided by the actual price into 100. So 1 rupee 25 paisa minus 1 is 0.25 divided by 1.25 into 100. Here this decimal and this decimal will be cancelled. So 25 divided by 125 into 100. That is equal to, after simplification we get 1 by 5 into 100, that is 20%. So the percentage of reduction in price is equal to 20% approximately. For the detailed and shortcut video solutions of all the problems in Quick Arithmetic S. Chand Ashish Agarwal book, please subscribe the YouTube channel BitBank.